How to request rating on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to request rating on Facebook Marketplace, then first you need to open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar, and from here you can go with your marketplace, or you may also have your marketplace on the top bar. You can just simply tap on the marketplace and it will take you to the marketplace. Now you need to go with the profile of the marketplace, which is on the top right, and from here you need to go with your listings. Under your listings, you need to just click on your listing that you have, any listing that you're comfortable with. Now here you need to scroll down and tap on the marketplace section, and you will have this kind of interface. And if you scroll down, then you will have an option of request rating right here. So you need to just simply tap on the request rating option, and after that you will be able to request the rating. You may have that option on your more section or just right here. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.